Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the very first challenge prompt for this month, that word being insect. You have been warned. Bugs. It's going to be a cool bug, but still, bugs. So I came into this piece thinking about what I found to be the coolest bug, and I ended up going with the praying mantis. I always thought they were really cool as a kid, and well, actually I still think they're really cool. I mean, what is not to love about a butt-kicking karate-like bug? They're elegant, yet they float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. I think with insect being on this month's prompts, it's absolutely perfect because if you look at most bugs up close, they're actually a lot shinier and more metallic than most people think. And with us having metallic pencils and markers, it's absolutely perfect. But I will be quiet and let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word insect. Now I think this turned out really cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now make sure you don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, make sure you check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Now make sure you complete all the challenge prompts and your name could possibly show up here on one of these videos. Thank you to all those who participated last month. You can find the participant names right here on screen. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!